Did we blow our budget on our latest cruise adventure, or did we outsmart Holland America's Have It All package? On a 17-day journey, we went head to head with their $55 per day per person deal and tried our own custom approach. Spoiler alert, the results, they might surprise you. Holland America's Have It All package offers 4 perks: 15 drinks daily, valued at $11 or less, a basic Wi Fi surf package, one or more specialty dining experiences, and shore excursion credits. For 2 people, this would have cost us $1,870 for 17 days, but we decided to experiment. Could we create our own version of this package and save money while still living it up on board? Kirk and I love our drinks, but 15 drinks per person per day is overkill. Instead, we got creative. Happy hours on board allowed us to buy $15 drinks for half price, and we took full advantage of free drinks through events like the Mariner Drink Pass and Club Orange Mimosa perks. In total, we had about 150 drinks over our trip, and 100 of them were purchased during happy hour at a fraction of the cost. The Have It All package includes Wi Fi for both of us at $29 per day per person, but we didn't need that much. Instead, we purchased a $37 plan for one device for 5 days, totaling $185. However, that price actually dropped during the last 3 days of the cruise, and we ended up paying just $147 in total. So we also use free Wi-Fi while in port, and we felt connected without breaking the bank. One of the main reasons we had done this is that you can see that the surf package only includes basic email checking, and we wanted to be able to do some social media posts and, of course, make videos to share with you. Speaking of which, this may be a good time to ask you to please take a moment, if you haven't already done so, to please subscribe to our channel. We really do work hard on providing as much quality information that we can about cruising so that you are better informed and that you can plan for your own amazing vacation. So thank you so much for that. Another perk of the Have It All package is a shore excursion credit worth $100 per person. But since we spent much of our trip in Hawaii, we opted to create our own excursions. We took the city bus, we used a couple of Ubers, and bought entry tickets to local attractions. For 5 ports, our total for 2 people came into $37. This do-it-yourself approach saved us money and gave us flexibility to explore at our own pace. Dining is part of the experience, so we treated ourselves to Canaletto, paying $29 per person. The package would have included more specialty dining, but for us, one upgraded meal was just perfect. So, did we blow our budget? Well, let's break it down. The Have It All package would have cost us $1,870 for the 2 of us. By customizing our experience, we spent $642 total. That's a savings of $1,228, and we felt like VIPs the entire time. By prioritizing what we truly needed and finding deals like happy hour, we upgraded our experience while staying within our budget. So, would you go for the Have It All package or try your own budget-friendly approach like we did? Let us know in the comments, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cruise tips and adventures. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.